Hey, welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 1, Colour Theory, Part 1. So quite simple, we're going to talk about primary colours, secondary colours, tertiary colours, and then finally complementary colours. Okay, so let's go to primary colours. So of course, there are three primary colours. Okay, so we've got the yellow, the red, and the blue. And why are they primary colours? These colours cannot be mixed using any other colours. Okay, so now we'll go to the secondary colours. So again, three secondary colours. So these are a mixture of the primary colours, of course. So we've got a red and the blue, gives us the purple. Of the yellow and the blue, gives us the green. And finally, we'll have the yellow and the red, it gives us the orange. Okay. And now let's go to the tertiary colours. So there's six tertiary colours made up of the primary and of course the secondary colours together. So we'll go through them. So we'll go here, so orange and red, orangey red or reddy orange, however you want to say it. Yellow and orange, yellowy orange. And we'll go greeny yellow. Bluey green, which looks like a turquoise here. And we'll go for well, blue and purple gives us a bluey purple. And of course, we'll go red and purple gives us a reddy purple. It's more like a magenta colour, which if you don't know is something you will learn later. And then finally, we'll go to the complementary colours. So these are opposite hues on the colour wheel. Okay, so let's have a quick look. We'll just do three of them. So yellow and purple, of course, orange and blue, and finally red and green. There are others, of course, these are just the obvious ones. So they are used because they balance each other out in a painting. In other words, one colour is not more dominant or powerful than another. So I'm going to give you two examples here. This is a famous painting by Van Gogh. Now, here you can see the blues and the yellows and oranges, very strong, both strong colours, but they both balance each other out. Okay, I'm going to give you another one, slightly more subtle. Here we have the green and the red. Okay, yeah, it's subtle, but it's still there. Thank you for watching. Please go to Colour Theory Part 2.